Hey guys, it's Teacher Sarah. Welcome to my class. In this video, we will learn how to draw patterns found in nature. Let's prepare what we'll need for this exercise. You'll need one sheet of sketch paper or vellum board, markers or pen for drawing thick and thin lines, pencil and eraser to sketch out the details, and a ruler to divide the paper into 6 sections. The first pattern that we'll draw is a meander. By definition, a meander is a winding curve or bend of a river or a road. In art, we can draw a meander to make it appear like there's movement or vibration in the design. They often appear in Greek architectural designs, and you'll see the same pattern in the Banaue rice terraces. The next type of pattern that we can find in nature is called fractals. Fractals can be seen almost everywhere, in trees, plants, snowflakes, and leaf veins if you take a closer look. Basically, drawing a fractal means you stem out from a larger stroke of line. Now, notice how the thickest line in this drawing is a tree trunk. As I continue to draw the lines, it branches out to be smaller versions of the tree trunk and 2 branches with lines becoming thinner as you go outward. Next, let's draw wave patterns. This show movement of a body of water or even sounds. This might just be the easiest pattern to draw, so feel free to experiment with different strokes and find the pattern that appeals to your senses. The next pattern is not new to us. Spirals can depict a lot of things from nature. It can be as big as the galaxy or as small as a curled millipede. Spirals can also be used to make fractal patterns, which can give you interesting results. The next type of pattern is called tessellation. It is an arrangement of shapes closely fitted together, especially of polygons, in a repeated pattern without gaps or overlapping. You can find these types of patterns on pineapples, honeycomb, snakeskin, and even walls made of bricks. There's unlimited patterns that you can make with tessellation. It's just a matter of creativity and problem solving. For our last exercise, we will draw Flora patterns or plants. You can take inspiration from a plant that you have at home and copy its leaf patterns.
Let's go.
Then, if you're happy with your work, you can outline the patterns using your marker. There's no one way of doing patterns, really. You can experiment with different types of lines and shapes and come up with interesting results. Just keep exploring, observing, and creating. Remember, be responsible with the freedom to create. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next class.